Dear children, welcome in science class, and as you know that today we are going to discuss the question answers of part E of chapter 5, that is chapter friction. So the very first question of E part is define force of friction. Okay, so first part of the question is define force of friction. So friction is an opposing force that comes into action when one surface moves or tends to move over the other surface. Okay, so this is a kind of force when one surface either it moves or it starts moving or it tends to move. Okay, so that opposing force is called friction. Now the second part of the question is list the factors affecting force of friction. Okay, so factors. Now we will start with the next line, the next part of the same question. Factors affecting friction. Okay, and here you have to write down the examples also. So the first factor is the force pressing the two surfaces together. If more is this force, more will be the force of friction. So example you can write down here, or you can write like this. For example, it is easier to move a lighter box as compared to heavier one. Okay, so this is because lighter box, in case of lighter box, the force pressing the two surfaces, means between the floor and your box, will be less. So less friction is offered and it is easier to move that. While for heavier box, the force of friction will be more because of the more force that is pressing the two surfaces together. Okay, and the second factor is nature of the surfaces. Okay, nature of surface. Okay, if surface is smooth, then friction will be less. Okay, and if surface is rough, the friction will be more. Okay, for this we can write down the example. For example, we slip when we step on a banana peel. Because see beta, this banana peel makes the surface smooth, so we slip down. Okay, we skid, because now since the surface is smooth, so we are not getting proper grip. Okay, so the force of friction depends on the nature of surface. Okay, so these are the two factors. Now the second part of this question, figure is given. Okay, see the figure in your book. So figures are given, and here according to this figure, it is asked that in which case the ball likely to move the longest distance, give reason for your answer. Okay, so I'll tell you, only I am giving you just an idea. So this is a kind of surface, okay, where your ball is sliding down, and there are three cases. In first case, there is newspaper. Okay, newspaper kept at the base of this inclined plane. In case B, it is woolen cloth. Okay, and in third case it is plain glass sheet, and it is asked that if Now see, the material, this material and the ball, they are same, only we are changing this material. So in which case the motion will be more, so the motion, this ball will go to a farther distance in case of C case, because in this case we have kept plain glass and it offers less friction. So we will write down the ball will move farther distance in case C because of less friction due to smooth plain glass sheet. Okay, so plain glass sheet gives less friction, so the motion will be easier and the ball will roll down or it will move to a farther distance. Okay, next is question number 3. Explain why sliding friction is slightly less than static friction. Okay, so now in this case we have to prove that why sliding friction is less than the static friction. Beta, see, when static friction is there, what happens? There are interlockings, but once the motion starts, the surfaces do not get enough time for interlockings and hence the motion becomes easier. Okay, so we will write down the answer for this question, question number 3. We will write the answer as because when the motion starts, the surfaces do not get enough time for interlockings. So sliding friction is less than static friction. Okay, now coming to question number 4, there are so many parts in this question. So the first part is, now we will discuss question number 4, and the first part is, we tend to slip when we step on a banana peel. Okay, so this question we will discuss in the next class because time is over. So bye beta, wish you good luck.